Hello, mga madiskarteng ama o tatay. Gandang hapon. Ngayon ay wala naman akong trabaho. Study naman kasi nag-aaral ako sa ALS para madagdagan pa yung kaalaman natin para din sa pamilya, sa anak, encourage sa ating mga anak, aking anak. Dagdagan yung kaalaman ko kasi hirapan ako sa anak ko. English speaking. Yes or no na lang yung sinasabi ko. Okay. Oh, Samuel, no shouting. No shouting. Sorry.
Story for Jesus. Story.
Okay, ayos na pinito ha. May story papa ha. Story ano ako mga story. Ito makaslip na akong little boy. Okay. God made the world.
Papa, you're making it.
Oh, no more like this. Oh, no, this one. Lipit na.
God made the sun, the moon, and the earth, the stars. He made the land and the ocean, and all the plants and animals too. Then God made a man for Adam and Eve, woman. Old age, God was very pleased with everything he had made. The people in the world became very rich. God told Noah to build a big boat and put all the different animals on it to keep them safe. It rained and rained, but with all the water had gone, God made rainbow, never again will I destroy the earth. God said Noah. Abraham and Sarah were every old and they had no children. God said they would have a baby, but Sarah, though she did not believe it, but God gave Abraham and Sarah a son. They named him Isaac. Isaac, son was Jacob. Jacob's favorite son was Joseph. One night Joseph dreamed that he would become greater than his father, and greater even than his father and mother. Yes, his mother and his father's mother. This made Joseph's brother very angry, so one day they sold Joseph to a merchant. The merchant took Joseph to Egypt, to the big slave that he slept. God looked after Joseph and showed him how to help the king, Egypt. Egypt became a great nation and Joseph became governor. He brought his father and all his brothers to live in Egypt. Holy, easily, go. Many years later, an Egyptian princess found a baby in a basket. The baby was an Israelite called Moses. The princess took Moses to her home, and Moses grew up as prince Egypt. God told Moses to leave Egypt and take all the Israelite people with him to a new land. God promised that the new land would be flowing with milk and honey. the people came to a city called Jericho. God told Joshua to march with his men around the city. After 7 days, the wall fell down, and the Israelites went into the city. Down. The wall fell down. Oh, the wall. When Samson was born, God blessed him and made him very strong. Samson helped to rescue the Israelites from their enemy. Rose lived in Bethlehem, although she was not as rich she was poor. They had family to take care of her, but God gave her a new family. David was shepherd. He took God care of his sheep. God wanted David to be king one day and take care of his people. Done.
Ito na, kung bak. Sleepy na. Boy. Kayo mag-study, Papa, okay? Sige, mga diskarte. God bless.